Respected all, I am Rajkumar from second year BSc Data Science Group. We are from SRR Government Degree College, Karimnagar. I am here to introduce a project of demonstration of EduQfix for implementation in Government Degree College, Telangana State. This is a easy way of payment portal and initiated by Commissioner of Collegiate Education.
This is Prasanna Jyoti from final year MSTCS. I want to explain about the hypothesis of EduQfix. EduQfix is the best solution of online fee payment in the Government Degree College of States of Telangana. It is able the government degree colleges are smartly managing and associated with examination rights and the services of fee payment, and many colleges are using the EduFix is task of not easily handling, and some colleges are not using of EduQfix. It is arising the technical issues of processing and the advantages and utilization of process, portable discussion of colleges, and the awareness program of degree colleges in Government of State of Telangana.
Studying second year from the group of BSc MSTCS. I'm here to explain about the procedure of making fee payment through EduQfix from the administrative side. So first of all, we have to open the link which is provided. So we have to open that, and we have to open the EduQfix, and then we have to click on the login button, and three options will be appeared, and we have to select the admin or teacher option, and then we can see. So the username, we have to enter the username. So we are from SRR Junior College, so we entered our username, and then we have to click on the proceed login, and next. So two options will be appear to login. One is through OTP and one is to password. I think the login through the password is a better one, because logging through the OTP will be sent to the principal and it may cause some disturbances. So we have to log in through password. So yes, now we are going to enter the password of our college. We have to click on the login button. So next, now we can see the page will be open, and here we have to click on the fee payment. So several options will be appeared, and we have to select on the create fees, and then we have to select on fees head. Now after clicking on the fees head, we have to type the fees head name. So now we are showing a demonstration, so that's why, for example, we are typing project 1 2 3 4 5. So our fees head name is project 1 2 3 4 5, and next we have to click on the save button. Then fees head inserted successfully, that will be appeared on the screen. Again, next we have to go to fee payment. Then we have to click on the allocate fees, and now we have to click on the press button which is at the right side bottom of the screen, and now we have to click on the total fee. So that is, now we are taking project 1 2 3 4 5 as fees head name. So we have to click on that, and then we have to type the description. So here we are showing, just now as I said, demonstration. So that's why we are typing Jignasa 1 2 3 4 5, and then we have to click on the fees type. So two options will be appeared. One is single fee and one is group fee. So single fee means directly paying at the one time, and so, and next we have to start date. That means according to the examination date we have to start, and then the end date of this examination fee payment date, and then due date. That means the paying date of your examination fee in between end and start date. And yes, next we have to the currency mode. So we are from Indian, so Indian currency mode INR, and then total amount which is provided by the university according to the semester wise. So here, for example, we have taken 100, and then this is very important, the fee scheme code. So here you have to look at your college name. So we are from SRR, so we are going to click on the SRR, and next yearly fees. As we know, obviously semester will be conducted half yearly, so twice in a year. So we have to click on the half yearly, and next we have to go to the bottom of the page, and then we have to click on the standard. That means the course you are belonging to. So we are from BSc Data Science, so we are going to click on BSc Physical Science, and division. That means from which group we are. So we are from Data Science, so we are selecting Mathematics, Statistics and Data Science. Then we have to click on the save button. So if you entered the every information correctly, then data added successfully will be appeared, and this is the process or the procedure from the administrative side. Now a link will be provided to the students through WhatsApp groups, and now I am going to explain about the procedure that a student can do for the fee payment. So this will be appeared for the student to make examination fee. So first we have to select, we have to type Commissioner of Collegiate Education, then we have to select the branch. So we are from SRO Junior College, so we are entering our college name. You have to look where is your college name, and then you have to select that, and then two options will be appeared. One is login through rule number, one is through DOST ID. The DOST ID is the default one, which will be very easy for the every student. So that's why we have to better to select the DOST ID. So then we have to enter the DOST ID. So for example, we have taken one DOST ID, and next we have to enter the CAPTCHA. So you have to look at the DOST ID very carefully, and then you have to enter the CAPTCHA out there. So you have to, once again you have to check the Commissioner of Collegiate Education, Principal of SRR, your college name, and then ID and CAPTCHA. And now the details of that student will be appeared on the screen. So as we go down, so here we can see, so Jignaza 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which we have set for the example, and you have to click on that. Then you have to go bottom of the page, and then you have to click on the continue and pay. So this is the final step. So if you click on the proceed, then your payment will be added successfully. That means you have payment for your examination.
Shivanjali from BSc second year MSTDS. Now I am going to explain about positive findings of EduQFix. The examination fee notification for semester 1 students of batch 2020 was issued during the pandemic. In those tough times, EduQFix was served best utility to pay the examination fee through online mode. Most of the students were like to pay the examination fee through online. Physical collection and counting of currency was very dangerous during the pandemic. In those findings, COVID-19 was spreading through currency notes also. So EduQFix was the best solution. Nowadays, even banks are raising additional charges for depositing money. So EduQFix was the best solution to reduce the additional charges.
Sarthika from MSTDS BSc second year. I am here to say about the negative findings of EduQFix. Many students of the government degree college do not possess the smartphones due to their economical conditions. The amount deposited by the students will transfer to the college account after the 2 working days. The different additional charges is becoming the additional burden to the students of the degree colleges. On the administrative side, the selection of the student course is a risky process as the state-wise courses are taken under consideration. Hall ticket number is not taken into consideration while payment of the fee.
Of our project is, so many of the students and the colleges management, they think that paying examination fee through this EduQFix is very risky job, but the obvious thing is it is a very easy mode, because during the COVID times too, during the hard times, going to the college and interacting with the staff members, that leads to the many chances for getting COVID. So sitting at home and making an easy payment through this EduQFix and paying your examination fee, that is the better one. So yeah, this is our project on demonstration of EduQFix for implementation in the government degree college in the state of Telangana. Thank you.